Today, I'm going to show you how to add a video background in Elementor. This is a powerful way to make your website more dynamic and visually engaging, perfect for hero sections or landing pages that need to grab attention immediately. First, go to your WordPress website's admin dashboard and log in. Once you're in, navigate to Pages on the left sidebar. From here, select Add Page to create a new page, and then click Edit with Elementor. This will open up the Elementor editor where you'll build your video background section. In the Elementor editor, you'll see a plus icon in the middle of your blank canvas. Click on that plus icon to add a new section. From the options that appear, choose Flexbox and then select the single structure. This sets up a container that you can fully customize to hold your video background. Now click on the container you just created to select it in the left menu panel. You'll see several tabs. Make sure you're on the Layout tab. Look for the option labeled Content Width and set it to full width. This ensures your video background stretches across the entire screen, creating that immersive effect you're aiming for. Next, you'll want to adjust the min height of your container. First, click on the unit dropdown next to min height and change it to VH, which stands for viewport height. Then set the min height value to 80. This makes your container take up 80% of the screen height, giving your video background plenty of room to display beautifully. While you're still in the Layout tab, set the Align Items option to center. This will vertically center any content you place inside the container. Also, set the gaps to 0 to remove any spacing that might interfere with the full screen video effect. Now comes the exciting part. Switch over to the Style tab in the left panel. Here, navigate to Background Type and you'll see several icons representing different background options. Look for the video icon and click on it. This opens up the video background settings. In the video link field, paste the URL of your video. This could be a YouTube link or a link to any other video you want to use. Simply copy your video URL from your browser and paste it directly into this field. Once you've done that, your video will automatically appear as the background of your container. If you want more control over which part of the video plays, you can optionally set a start time and end time. These values are entered in seconds. For example, if you only want a specific clip from your video to loop, enter the start time where you want the video to begin and the end time where you want it to stop. This is particularly useful if you have a long video but only want a short, impactful segment to display as your background. And that's it. You've successfully added a video background to your Elementor page, creating a visually stunning section that will immediately capture your visitors' attention. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.